There are no refunds on the time spent with a window salesman. You owe it to yourself to get a second opinion without having to endure another in-home sales pitch. Let Zen Windows send you a second opinion price quote via email shortly after we collect some basic project data. Here's what to expect. Give us your basic project data, receive an accurate price quote via email, and receive professional installation of top quality replacement windows. It really is this simple. Whether it's your first quote, your second quote, or your only price quote, let Zen Windows and our impeccable reputation serve you. Windows out, windows in. It's that simple. Call or email us today or visit us at zenwindowsstl.com.